How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Today I have a small POSHMARK packaging. So this is what somebody bought. I was getting ready to go to bed and I said, let me check this POSHMARK. And somebody bought this. So, tiny. So let's get started. So, first I always find the product before I print out the postage slip that they send me. So I had to make sure I could find it. One time I couldn't even find a dress somebody wanted. I've since found it, but that's been a while ago. So let's get to it. So I always use tissue paper to wrap whatever I'm sending. You can find this tissue paper cheaper at stores like Ross and Marshall's. They have it at Dollar Tree too, but you don't get as many sheets. Okay, so I'm just going to wrap this. Because people like to feel special when they buy something. And so I'll take care into packaging this stuff up. And I always send a thank you card. I don't care how big or small the item is that they bought or how much it costs, how much they're spending for it. I'm appreciative for somebody just shopping from my closet. So that's good. You can buy these thank you cards at Dollar Tree. They have a bunch of different kinds. And you put your own message in the inside. So I'm going to put, thank you for shopping MzBrazell's closet. Thanks for shopping smiley face. Okay. Take that to the package and put it on this side. Okay, through with the tape. Okay, now I'm going to deal with this shipping label. Instead of cutting it, I'm just going to fold it so it fits in the, I'll show you in a minute. Make sure that's wide. Okay, that'll fit. Okay, I fold it so it fits into this thing. That's what you put shipping labels in, and I bought this from Amazon. Put the shipping label in here and then I'll fix this to the package. So I'm just going to stick this in here. Fits in here nicely. Like that. I used to use up so much tape just for fixing the shipping label on the package. I also bought this from Amazon. These come in all different designs and colors, sizes. So I'm going to put this plastic so I don't have to worry about it getting rained on. I'm putting this in here. I'm going to put it the other way. Will that fit? Yeah, it will. And the reason I filmed this is so people won't say that I sent them something different or I sent them an empty box. There's people doing some of everything nowadays. So, and I just pull this silver strip off and fix it. Okay, that's on there, it ain't going nowhere. I'm going to put this label on here. I don't pull this whole thing off at one time. Pull off part of it and affix it. See what I'm doing? And then pull it. Then I pull out this little strip on the side. I'll fix that down. Ready to go. So me and Walter are about to get out of here and go to the post office and mail this lady her product. And she should get it maybe by Wednesday. Okay. It's postage paid. So I want to thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed day. I forgot to mention what POSHMARK is. POSHMARK is an app that you can download for free. And you can start selling clothes and items around your house on POSHMARK. You take your pictures, you set your prices. Now don't be crazy, you know, set no exorbitant prices and think you're going to get some sales. You ain't. You can make yourself some money. Okay? All you need is some packaging supplies so you can do your stuff up nicely. When I first started out, I used to package up my stuff in Walmart, the plastic Walmart shopping bags, and somebody let me know I shouldn't do that. So, when you see somebody doing something wrong, there's a way to let them know nicely so they can take your constructive criticism and run with it. So I've been running with it ever since. So. And if you decide to sign up for POSHMARK, use my code, MzBrazell, all caps. Okay. And with your first sale, me and you both will get a $5 credit toward our accounts. Okay. You can also buy from POSHMARK. I bought quite a few things from POSHMARK. I like the purses and little stuff like that. Okay. I'm gone. Bye.